Is your SSD or HDD slowing down, or worse, on the verge of failure? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check the health of your SSD or HDD using a free and powerful tool. CrystalDiskInfo is a lightweight tool for Windows that gives you real-time data on the health and status of your SSD or hard drive. It uses smart data, self-monitoring, analysis, and reporting technology to detect problems before your drive fails. And the best part? It's completely free. To get started, head to the official website and download CrystalDiskInfo. I recommend the Standard Edition or the Shizuku Edition if you want some anime flair. Once downloaded, install it like any regular Windows program. Seems it is in a different language. Let me switch to English. After launching the app, you'll see all your connected drives listed at the top. Select your SSD from the list if you have more than one drive. The key things to look for are health status, should say good or excellent, temperature, ideally below 50 degrees Celsius, power on hours, how long your drive has been used. If CrystalDiskInfo shows a warning like caution or bad, it means your SSD or HDD may be at risk. Don't panic just yet, but this is your sign to back up your data immediately and consider replacing the drive soon. It's a good idea to check your SSD health once every month, especially if you store important files or use the drive heavily. CrystalDiskInfo also has background monitoring features and system tray alerts if you want real-time updates. So now you know how to keep an eye on your SSD's health with CrystalDiskInfo. A few seconds of checking can save you from hours of data recovery. If this helped, hit that like button. Drop a comment if you found any surprising stats on your drive. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tips like this one. See you in the next video.